Guys, it's Dave here. I'm going to just give you a quick demo of what I've been working on. Looking for some feedback. This is for the commission calculator, so sales team, you're definitely going to be interested in this. Quick note, this is the sandbox, so development data, nothing is real. You guys don't have access to this yet. Just, looking for all your feedback, comments, anything, everything. This is a tool for you guys. It's not for me. I've never seen the old one. I don't know how the old one works. I think that's probably the best strategy here. So I just want to make something you guys are happy with. It's very easy to use and works. So we'll just start with this. I have a boat sale here. You've seen this all before. Nothing spectacular going on. We have a anchor that we have sold for nothing. So basically we just threw it in. That'll just give you something to reference later on. And we also have a $1,500 discount. So nothing spectacular going on. I'll go back to the opportunity here. Now, for now I have this commission calculator button here. This likely is not staying. It's not where I want it. I'll probably create a tab up here called commissions where you can go and see all your commissions, and maybe a nice graph or reports will eventually put there so you can track your commissions by the year or whatever we need, but that's later down the road. So we'll just go into the calculator and show you what we have here. So the first thing, it is broken into two different records. We have a record for the sales and a record for the business office. I'm understanding this is how it works, so this is what I've done. Down here in the table, we have all the line items, basically everything you sold that we can collect commission on. Example, boat package, luxury package. They've defaulted to come in at 1.75%. Upgrades, any other parts, options would show up in here as well. 10%. There's our discount with minus $1,500. Unapproved discounts apparently are charged back 10% maybe. So there's that, that's that, and here is our anchor that we gave away. It's normally $48.99, so that gets a 25% charge back. It's all changeable. I can change this if this isn't right, and you can edit it in line right here. You can either do percentage or actual dollar value. Say this was actually, approved and whatever, we can just get rid of it. Just put in 0. You'll notice the total went up here, the total was up here. We can do this for any of them. Any line item we can edit. We can edit, percentages is 5%, turns it into $50. If we say no, we want $11.11, it will figure that percentage out for us. So it does all that for us. We just won't do that. We can also add just random line items. Random entry. And we put just dollar amount here. We don't need a percentage. So any dollar amount we want. If it's a charge back, we just, obviously put a negative sign in front. Today I'm feeling generous, so we'll add $100, and why not? It's me that's getting it. So there's basically what's happening in the table. We'll go up to here, and now this is who actually is collecting the commission. By default, that is the person who created the opportunity, known as the opportunity owner. By default, that's me. Now, if that's not right, and I think probably 99% of the time it's going to be right, it's very easy to change, and in this case it's clearly not right because I didn't sell a boat. I don't sell boats, I write code. So easily we can change this with this little arrow pops up, and now we get a nice list of all of our users. You'll notice I'm the only one that has an image. Again, this is my sandbox, so I didn't bother uploading images for everybody. In the actual production org, the one you guys use, I'm almost positive everyone's uploaded images of some sort. So they'll all show up. Easy to pick because, well, we all know what everyone looks like. But anyway, that's all you really have to do. So maybe it was Jesse. You just click on it, and just like that, Jesse now receives this commission. Another thing apparently that happens is every once in a while you want to split your commissions, which is good. Sharing is good. And that is as simple as clicking this button. It will open up the user selector down here only if there is one record. I'll show you that in a second. So say Jesse, I for whatever reason made the opportunity, so he thinks, hey, Dave needs a little bit of money for this. And these arrows can't do anything with them because Jesse currently has 100%. But if I drop them down, I can have 1% or whatever I want. Excuse me. You'll notice I can't save it until percentages are 100. It just won't let you. Jesse's not feeling that much, so he'll give me 1%, which is fine by me. I'm cool with that. Buy a couple coffees. All we have to do now is save. Done. Now it's split, and we can do this again. We can do it as much as we want. Now you also notice that time, because there's two, we didn't automatically get the user selector pop up. That is, now we can just change percentages, or if we actually want to split again and add another user, we click the plus. And anytime we can close it here, and we can close it. So that's pretty much it on the sales side. What happens on the business side, business office end, little different. It pulls in stuff that applies, extended warranty, service contracts. There was a few insurance items added to this opportunity, so it pulls them in. By default, it's pulling them all in at 25%. That could be right, that could be wrong. Easily changeable. This table functions exactly the same with all these edit buttons. Everything's the same, but this will come in unassigned. So this money is technically not sitting to anybody. So this is as simple as just changing users. We click on it and select whoever we want. Probably Gina here and Barry. Why not give her money? And that's it. Now Gina has it, and we can do whatever we want here. Again, we can split it with, well, I probably need some money too. So yeah, we'll give me another 1%. Save it, and done. Just a couple things to quickly note. When we're in edit mode on one tab, we cannot be in edit mode on the other tab. Just because. And these you can't type in. Only the arrows work. So if that's a big problem, I can change that. Also, there's no way to actually just put in a dollar amount. You can't just say, I'm going to throw Dave $50 and that's it. If that's something you guys actually do, then I can add that too. But that's a little more work, so make sure you guys actually want that. If we can just get away with doing the percentages, that's probably a lot easier. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, it seems simple, and the simpler it seems is probably a little more complicated to pull off on my end, which is great by me. I just want things to be simple and really user-friendly for you guys. So tell me what you think. Let me know. Get a hold of me, chatter, email, any other way you can. Pick up the phone and call me and Barry. That's fine. Somebody there will answer the phone and come find me. Yeah, that's it. You all have a good day, and I'm looking forward to hearing from anybody. Thanks.